girls. Nursery girls' parents, come on, give it up for them.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure can.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
రంగనంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రమణి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే రంగనంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రమణి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే రంగనంటూనే కుర్రదో కుర్రదో కొడగడకొచ్చిందే కుర్రదో కుర్రదే మంచి మంచి మంటూనే పిల్లదో పిల్లదో పల్లెట్టుకొచ్చిందే పిల్లదో పిల్లదే రంగనంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రమణి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే రంగనంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రమణి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే
Hey, Nandini.
ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ ಕುದುರೆಯೇರಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೋಡವದ
Oh, this is a tribute to the dads.
ಪಯ್ಯ
Come on, dads, make some noise for your girls from there.
ಮಿನುಗು ಚುಕ್ಕಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಬೊಗಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತರುವ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಯ್ಯ
ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ ಕುದುರೆಯೇರಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೋಡ ದಾಟಿ ಬರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪಯ್ಯ. ನಡೆಯುವೆನು ನುಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಮಿನುಗುವ ತಾರೆ. ನಡೆಯುವೆನು ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡಲಿ ಊರೇ.
ಕಂದ ಕಂದ ನೀನೇ ಚಂದ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ
ರೆಕ್ಕೆಯ ಕುದುರೆಯೇರಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೋಡ ದಾಟಿ ಬರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪಯ್ಯ. ಬರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪಯ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈಡ್.
ಹಾ? ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಬೆಳಕ ವಸ್ತ್ರವ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ
ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆನು ಕೈಯ ಬಳೆಯಾಗಿ. ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ವಸ್ತ್ರವ ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆನು ಕಂಬಳಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ.
That was the sweetest tribute to our real life superheroes, our dads. Nothing but to the dads, to all the dads, thank you so much for being there always, to being there for your kids and making their life much more easier. Guess what it is? The parents dance. I see no parents near the stage. I thought already they'll be ready, standing on their toes to come and dance. But where no parents only? Come on, parents, stand up. Who are there in the dance already? If not, we have to prepare for the dance. Please come near the stage for the parents dance, mothers and dads.